Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification so you can be notified whenever I upload. So for this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how you can get to sleep a lot easier. I know that I struggle with falling asleep sometimes, and it's honestly so annoying. I hate not being able to fall asleep. But these tips I'm about to share with you really help me, so I figured they would help you guys out as well. And these tips are perfect for if you live in the dorms and you got some noisy ass neighbors, you're sick, or you just have trouble falling asleep at night. These will definitely help you out. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but yes, I am wearing some PJs. I just thought it was fitting for this video. Just this cute Minnie Mouse PJ set. But yeah, if you want to hear what my tips are, just keep watching. Alright, tip number one is to use a lavender spray or a lavender roller. I have this lavender roller that I bought from Target. I think it works really well. You can spray lavender onto your pillow or onto your sheets. With the roller, you can just put it onto your wrist. Otherwise, you can put it onto your neck as well, and that works too. Lavender is just a super calming smell, and it's actually proven to help you fall asleep faster. So you should definitely try this out if you don't mind having something scented near you while you sleep. I think it smells really good, and it is super calming and kind of just helps me drift off to sleep. Tip number two is to have a warm drink before you go to bed. Again, it's super calming and soothing and kind of just helps you get into that sleepy state of mind. Also, I know that when I'm sick and I have like a sore throat or a cough, I really like to make honey and lemon warm water. It just really soothes my throat and keeps it from feeling itchy all night. So yeah, try relaxing with a warm drink before you go to bed and see if that helps you. Tip number three is to sleep in a cooler room. I'm sure we all know the struggle of sleeping in a really warm room and how hard it is to fall asleep in there. You may not have known this, but our body naturally cools down when we're trying to sleep. So by sleeping in a cooler room, we're actually helping ourselves fall asleep faster. Tip number four is to use an oil diffuser. With an oil diffuser, you can put in essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus, which are really helpful, calming smells that can help you fall asleep. You just put some drops into your diffuser and it emits it into the air. So they're great for releasing some calming smells into your room, but they're also great for preventing stuffy noses and dry throats. They add a lot more moisture into the room, and that's personally why I bought one. I was having a really dry throat at night and I couldn't sleep because of it, and it seriously helped a lot. I don't have an itchy throat at night now, so you should definitely check an oil diffuser out if you're interested. Tip number five is to wear an eye mask. I actually wear one every single night and it's helped me sleep tremendously. It just makes everything super dark, and that way you're not getting woken up by any light. I highly recommend using an eye mask. I just feel like they help me sleep a lot better. Tip number six is to wear earplugs. This is specifically for if you have really noisy neighbors, you have a roommate that snores, or you just have really sensitive ears and you hear like every little thing. Earplugs just block out all the noises and just make falling asleep a lot easier. Moving on to tip number seven, and I feel like some of you are going to be mad at me for this one, but don't take naps. Obviously only if you're having trouble sleeping at night, otherwise continue with your naps, but that's probably the reason you're having restless nights. Just try not taking a nap, that way you're super tired at night and can fall asleep a lot easier. Tip number eight is to put your phone down at least 30 minutes before you go to bed. The light from your phone actually keeps you awake, so just try putting your phone down a little earlier than you normally do, and maybe try reading just to give your eyes a break from your screen. I think this is a tip we could all use. Alright, I have two more tips, and tip number 9 is to de-stress. I know that a lot of the time we have so much on our mind, and then when it comes time to go to bed, we can't stop thinking about everything. So it's just really important to de-stress before you go to bed so you don't wind up doing that. And lucky for you guys, my last video was all about de-stressing, so I'll have that link down below if you want to check that out. Trust me, relieving stress is very important. Okay, my last and final tip for you, tip number 10, is to establish a sleeping routine. So what I mean by this is to choose a time every single night that you're gonna start winding down and getting ready for bed. And if you turn this into a routine, your body's gonna realize that and start getting sleepier at that time every single night. And it's just gonna make it a lot easier to get to sleep because your body knows it's time for bed. Well, those are all the tips that I have for you guys to help you get to sleep easier. I hope at least one of these tips will help you if you have trouble sleeping at night. Definitely let me know in the comments if you do plan on trying one of these tips out, or if you actually already do one of them. I'm interested to know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more and give this video a thumbs up if you did. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!